what's your number? And I don't mean like your cell phone number. I don't mean talking about 867-530. Can't believe I just said that, but it's like I said, what's your number? And what I mean by this is when you hit one number in a year, whatever that looks like, that means it's going to be successful. All right. For example, my number is 4. What does 4 mean? What 4 means is 4 listing appointments set per week over 48 weeks out of the year. Because what happens with that, when you break down that 4, let's say I set 4 appointments, 2 cancel. That leaves me with 2. Out of that 2, I converted 50%, which we all know for me is low, but let's say I converted 50%. That's 1. 1 times 48 is 48 listings taken a year. Let's say I only sell 40 of those listings a year. That's all. 40 out of 48. I think that's a little low. With an average commission of $10,000, that's $400,000 a year. That's not including if I work with any buyers or if my conversion rates become higher. So that's 4 appointments a week set equals $400,000 a year. And I'm assuming all you people out there could use an additional $400,000 a year, but your number may be different. All right. It may be, I don't know, it may be 8 leads, or it may be 2,580, which could mean contacts. It could mean 27 accepted offers. It could mean $1.36 million a year, because that's the GCI that you want. So my opinion, though, is we want to take this number down. You want to make it as granular as possible. You don't want to have a big number, okay? Because the thing is that when I go in at the back end of the week, let's say, for example, it's Wednesday, all right? It's Wednesday. And I've set 2 appointments on Monday, 1 appointment on Tuesday, and I'm sitting here, I'm beating myself up because Wednesday is not a banner day. And I can look, you know what? I need to give myself some credit because I've already set what? 2 + 1 = 3 appointments that week. And the odds will be with you at that point that you should set those 4, all right? But the cool part is, though, let's say, for example, you've just had a bad week. Let's say the second week of January is just a bad week, and you only set 1 appointment. That's only 1 appointment. You can then put forward those 3 you didn't get. So let's say you get 5 this 3rd week, 4 this the 4th week, and so on and so forth, if that makes any sense. So what I highly suggest is figuring out exactly what your number is. Like I said, whether it's contacts, whether it's appointments set, whether it's yearly transactions, whether it's GCI. Like I said, I don't suggest doing GCI because we want to make it as basic and easy as possible. So like I said, my number is 4. What's yours?